Welcome to PQAI, your AI-powered patent search assistant. If you're an inventor, patent attorney, or entrepreneur, you know that for an invention to be patented, it must be novel. This means no one has publicly shared a description of the invention or filed a patent for it before your application. If any document already describes your invention, that document is considered prior art, and it could prevent your patent from being granted. In this video, we'll show you how to use PQAI to find potential prior art, refine your search, and save useful results for your patent application or investment pitch. Let's get started. Start by describing your invention in simple terms, as if you were explaining it to a friend. No complex legal jargon, just a straightforward summary of what your invention does and how it works. Example: a smart coffee mug that keeps beverages at a constant temperature using a built-in heating element. Once you've written your description, click Search. PQAI will now display a list of relevant patents and applications. Here's how to analyze them. Check the title. Does it sound similar to your invention? Next, look at the diagrams when available. Do they resemble your concept? And then, read the abstract. Does it describe the same functionality? For U.S. patents and applications, use the mapping feature to see which parts of the document match your description. This gives you a visual comparison of relevant sections. For documents that seem very relevant, click on the link to open the entire document to determine if it fully describes your invention. If the first set of results doesn't seem relevant, don't worry. Here's how to refine your search. Add more details about the element missing in the results. Run the search again to see if more relevant documents appear. For example, if your smart mug invention isn't showing results with a wireless charging feature, update your description to include that. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times until the results are close, but don't fully describe your invention. When you find documents that are partially similar or very close to your invention, use the Save feature. This allows you to revisit them later. You can also click More Like This to find additional similar patents. Once you've saved the most relevant documents, head to the Saved Results tab. Click Download PDF Report to generate a file containing all your saved patents. This report is extremely useful for patent attorneys to assess novelty and draft applications. It is also useful for investors and venture capitalists to validate the invention's uniqueness. So, when should you stop searching? If your search results consistently lack one or more key elements of your invention, even after refining the description a few times, or if you've found documents that are close but not an exact match. However, if you do find an existing patent that describes your invention, don't be discouraged. This is actually a sign that you're thinking in the right direction. Here's a pro tip. Instead of stopping, use these documents as inspiration for your next innovation. Think about how to improve upon existing ideas and create the next generation version. At PQAI, your privacy is our priority. We do not share your search data or use your interactions to train our AI. Your queries remain private and are never stored beyond temporary caching for system performance. That's it. Now you know how to use PQAI to efficiently search for prior art, refine your results, and download reports for deeper analysis. Try it yourself at projectpq.ai and take your invention to the next level.